Watch AI create a hospital admissions analytics dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Hospital patient records with admissions, diagnoses, and discharge information. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our hospital data file. The system quickly processes our patient records and admission data. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Brix AI is analyzing our healthcare data, identifying key patterns in patient admissions, length of stay, and discharge outcomes. It's automatically generating the most relevant visualizations for hospital analytics. The AI creates 6 interactive charts showing length of stay distribution by department, patient age versus length of stay, monthly admission trends, discharge status breakdowns, top diagnoses, and admissions by department and gender. It also builds 2 comprehensive data tables with department summaries and diagnosis statistics. Our hospital admissions analytics dashboard is complete with professional healthcare insights. We can instantly customize the theme to match our hospital's branding with just one click. Now let's see presentation mode, perfect for executive meetings and medical staff briefings. The dashboard transforms into a full-screen experience, highlighting our key healthcare metrics with clean, professional styling that's ideal for presenting to hospital administrators, department heads, or medical teams during strategic planning sessions. Back to interactive mode, we can explore all the data details and drill down into specific metrics. Try Brix today and transform your healthcare analytics workflow.